We're now going to talk about summation notation and how we use it. And so remember that summation notation uses this sigma symbol, and it tells us that we have an index, a lower bound, and an upper bound. And what this means is if I have the sum of sum I, so we're summing up a sequence, AI, this tells us to grab the correct I. So this would be A1 for the first one, then A2, then A3, then as many of them as I need up to AN. And then once I have this, I can add those together, and that is my sum. And so this goes from 1 to n. Well, we could also, just to be clear, make the upper limit I equals 1 to infinity of AI, and then we get A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus, and we just keep adding everything up forever, and we'd be done with the problem. Or rather, depending on the problem, we may never finish it. But there are some of these that actually sum to a finite number, and we'll talk about them as we go. But be aware that it's perfectly acceptable to sum everything in an infinite sequence.